Every day we wake up with dreams, but only a few people turn those dreams into reality. What makes the difference? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's not even the size of the goal. The real difference lies in something far more powerful, something ordinary yet life-changing: your habits. Today, we explore the science of habits and motivation and how understanding it can transform your entire future. Motivation is the spark, but habits are the engine. Motivation is that feeling that pushes you to begin. It's the excitement, the energy, the intention. But motivation is also temporary. It fades, it changes, it comes and goes like the weather. But habits, however, are steady. Habits take over when motivation disappears. If motivation is the spark that lights the fire, habits are the wood that keeps it burning. Science tells us that up to 45% of your daily behavior is automatic, done without thinking. Imagine if the automatic things you did every day were aligned with your goals, your health, your career, your growth. Your life would change almost effortlessly. The habit loop: cue, routine, reward. Every habit, good or bad, follows a simple loop: cue, the trigger that begins the behavior; routine, the behavior itself; reward, the benefit your brain gets. When you understand this loop, you gain power. You can identify the cues that pull you toward bad habits and replace the routine with something better. For example, if stress is your cue, your routine might be scrolling endlessly or overeating, but your reward is feeling relaxed. Change the routine. Go for a walk, breathe deeply, journal. Same cue, same reward, but a new, better habit. This is not guesswork. This is neuroscience. Why small habits are more powerful than big goals. We all love big goals. I will change my life. I will become successful. I will be unstoppable. But big goals can be intimidating, and when we don't see quick results, we quit. Science shows that your brain loves small wins. Tiny progress releases dopamine, the chemical of motivation. Every small victory tells your brain, keep going. This feels good. So, start small. 1 page a day, 5 minutes of learning, 10 push-ups, 1 new idea. Small habits repeated daily lead to massive transformation over time, because consistency beats intensity. The small things you do daily matter more than the big things you do occasionally. Identity-based habits. Become the person you want to be. Not, I want to read more, but I am a reader. Not, I want to be healthy, but I am someone who takes care of my body. Not, I want to succeed, but I am the kind of person who does the work. When your habits match your identity, your actions become natural, not forced. Ask yourself today, who do I want to become? Then build habits that confirm that identity. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your habits, and your habits rise to the level of your identity. Motivation is built, not found. People think they need motivation before they start, but the truth is the opposite. Action creates motivation. When you start doing the thing you want to avoid, motivation grows. Like momentum, once it begins, it becomes easier and easier. Don't wait to feel motivated. Start small. Start poorly. Start scared. But start. Because action trumps motivation. The power of environment and systems. If you want better habits, build a better environment. If your environment works against you, every strong willpower loses. Remove distractions. Prepare the night before. Lay out your clothes. Organize your workspace. Make the good habit easy and the bad habit difficult. Systems create success. Winners and losers have the same goals, but winners have systems that support those goals. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. So, make it your ally, not your enemy. The science of not giving up. Here's a truth backed by psychology and human behavior. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent enough. If you miss one day, don't miss two. If you fall, get back up immediately. One mistake won't ruin your journey, but giving up will. Your brain is rewiring with every repetition. Every day you show up, even imperfectly, you strengthen the pathway of discipline, confidence, and self-belief. Build the life you're meant to live. Habits shape your days. Your days shape your years. Your years shape your life. So today, decide who you want to become. Start with one small habit. Repeat it daily. And watch how motivation begins to rise, how discipline becomes easier, and how your future becomes brighter than you ever imagined. Your habits are building your destiny. Make them powerful. Make them intentional. Make them yours.